Mr. Ware here with another edition of
A Moment of Science.
And this one takes place at night. When I come outside to walk my dog, I notice something very strange when I stand by my truck. Take a look and tell me if you notice.
I want you to take a look at something. When I lean against my pickup truck at night while I'm outside with my dog, my arm gets wet. Do you see this water here? Well, where did the water come from? Because it didn't rain tonight. Well, it came from condensation. Condensation is the process when water vapor in the air cools down and turns back into a liquid. So during the day when it's warm outside, there's lots of water vapor in the air. And at nighttime, the temperature drops and the air gets cooler and the water vapor turns back into a liquid. And the tailgate of my pickup truck is a perfect place for the water to collect. So you can see the water on my tailgate. It came from condensation. So right now my truck is covered in water, but in the morning when the sun comes up, I notice my truck isn't wet anymore. Where'd all the water go? Well, as you can probably guess, as the sun comes up, it starts to heat up the water and it changes it from a liquid into a gas or a water vapor. So liquid water can change into a vapor by adding heat, the heat from the sun. And then later on the next night when it gets cool, it'll condense and form back into a liquid. So a liquid changes into a gas when heat is added, and a gas changes back into a liquid when heat is removed or when things get cold.
You've probably seen examples of condensation around your house. If you've ever taken a cold drink or a cold soda outside in the warm heat, you feel the moisture on the outside of the cup. Well, the cup didn't spring a leak. It happened because the cool drink lowered the temperature of the water vapor in the air around it, causing it to condense.